we detected over 25,000 unusual options on Tesla today, July 10. And we were wondering, does this have anything to do with Elon Musk insulting Mark Zuckerberg today? As you may know, Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg have a long-standing rivalry, and today there was a lot of drama going on. Okay, so let's take a look deeper at these unusual options to figure out what is going on with Tesla. So this is for the first one here. These are all happening at about 152, 155, and 1142 here. You can see that there is July 21s, July 21s, July 21s, and also August 18s and August 18s and August 18s here. So the majority of the strike prices are the 260 strike price calls and puts. You can see that all here. And there was only one batch here for the Julys that was at the 255 strike price. Okay, so you'll see here, down here, it ends over here. Okay, so this is the end there. So let's take a look. Also, the total quantity here, an estimation. Okay, so let's take a look at let's just pick the August dates here. You have 11,300 and also 9,600 and then 4,250. Okay, so what is that in total? 9,600 and 4,250. So it's 25,150. So it's around that amount of contracts here we're talking about. All right, so quite a bit. So let's take a look at the July 21s to figure out what they're doing here. So the 255s you'll see here, volume is less than the open interest. Same on the call side here. Okay, we believe this is being closed. All right, because of that. Same with the 260 strikes here. You see these 20,000 less than the open interest. Over here, 16,000 less than the 25,000 here. We believe this is also being closed. These 260 strikes for the July 21s are being closed. And what's going on is that they're moving it to the August 18 now. All right. And so that's why when you take a look at the 260 strike prices, you have this volume of 30,000, which is much greater than the open interest. So these are opening trades here at the 260 strike puts and also the 260 strike calls with 30,000 volume greater than the open interest. Okay, so what we believe, this large institutional investor or a large investor is selling this 260 strike call here, and then they're buying the 260 strike puts. And when you analyze this trade, you can see that this is a bearish short position on Tesla. As the price goes down, this becomes more profitable, right? Since it's above the zero line. Now, for every one of these trades, they had to sell a naked call here, right? This is a naked call. And for each one of these requires about 13,000 buying power. If you're not sure how to calculate that, we have a video on how to do that. Click the top right corner. If you have info cards, you can watch that video. Very simple method here. So since we had calculated that 25,150 contracts in total, and it's about 13,000 buying power to sell one of these 260 strike calls on Tesla naked, this trade was $326.9 million. This is how much buying power and capital that was required. Okay? And so, somebody with that kind of money, who could it be? Right? Who could it be? Could it be Mark Zuckerberg? Right? Because of this rivalry and this drama, could Mark Zuckerberg have shorted Tesla today because of that amount of money? Comment below on what you think about this. Right? What do you think? Do you think Mark Zuckerberg shorted Tesla today? All right. So that's our analysis on Tesla. If you're interested in other stocks, we analyze other stocks to diversify our portfolio to increase our success and profitability in the stock market. If you're interested in that, click the join button on our channel homepage to learn more on how you can join our membership to get access to those exclusive videos where we analyze unusual options and show you how we use trading strategies based on unusual options to maximize our profit potential. If you've been following our channel, you know that we've been very profitable and we have a lot more winners than losers. All right. Take care, everybody, and good luck on Tesla.